Hello, I'm Diksha Vaiti, working as an intern at Pixel Apps.
If we were to compare the marketing of today's world to the traditional word of mouth marketing, we can easily notice that the internet savvy world has taken a huge leap in the way how marketing strategies are put to use. Digital marketing, as we call it in today's times, has evolved immensely. There are many key factors involved in digital marketing strategies, of which search engine optimization, called as SEO, is a major key component. As defined by the website Moz, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the practice of increasing the quality and quantity of traffic to your website through organic search engine results. Now, this is about SEO for a website. What about the optimization when it comes to applications in the Play Store? Do you all know how many apps are there on the Play Store? Do let us know in the comment section down below. There are about 2.96 million apps available in the Google Play Store. This is an enormous number, and with a number this huge comes great competition. So how do you stand out in a crowd? How do you get your app to rank at the top of the search results? This is where Play Store search engine optimization, Play Store SEO comes into picture. Now, what is Play Store SEO? According to a popular website, the tool App Store Optimization, also known as ASO or App Store SEO, is the process of optimizing a game or application in order to maximize its visibility in the stores in search, when users search, and explore when users browse, increase traffic to listing, and improve conversion rate to generate the maximum volume of organic downloads. It brings free high quality users for Android and iOS apps, helps to reduce UA, that is user acquisition cost, and is base of any mobile growth strategy. But now you all must wonder, what is the difference between ASO and SEO? Search engine optimization, that is SEO, and App Store optimization, that is ASO, are very similar to each other. They both include keyword optimization, conversion optimization, and backlinking, but the basic difference is that SEO is used for websites whereas ASO is used for mobile apps, and the main difference between the two is the ranking factors. But why is ASO important? Now we know what is ASO, but why is it so important? People search for apps on the Play Store every day. Also, with millions of apps present in the App Store, getting your app in front of the right people is a challenging task. Studies have shown that 63% of apps are discovered through App Store searches. Hence, it is important to optimize your app in an effective way. For this, you need to follow the ASO strategy to maximize your success. There are 3 steps involved in the App Store optimization strategy. First is the keyword research and market research. Second is Google Play Store page optimization plus A/B testing. And the third is tracking and monitoring. Keyword research and marketing. This is the first and essential step to be carried out even before launching the app itself. Picking the right keyword that are relevant to your app is crucial for success. It is very important to select the keywords having high relevance, high traffic, and low competition. Jot down as many keywords as possible. Now there are 2 types of keywords. Short tail keywords, keywords which are having a high search volume but low competition. Long tail keywords, keywords that have a low search volume but have less competition. At the initial stages, it is advised to use long tail keywords with low competition. You can always change them with a change in traffic and competition. Also need to make sure that your app is globally available with English or all languages optimized. Now we come to the second point, that is Google Play Store page optimization plus A/B testing. The Google Play Store optimization involves the optimization of the app's on metadata and off metadata factors. The on metadata factors. These are the factors on which the developer has a direct impact. These include the app name or title, subtitle or short description, icon, screenshots, videos, URLs, keyword fields, developer name, listing localization, and etc. The off metadata factors. These are the factors on which the developer has no direct impact but can influence indirectly. These include downloads, ratings and reviews, backlinks, user retention, etc. Now, A/B testing. What is A/B testing exactly? Now, A/B testing is essentially an experiment where two or more variants of your app are shown to user at random, and statistical analysis is used to determine which variation performs better for a given conversion goals. For A/B testing, you have to create two versions of your app and compare them against each other. During the experiment, half of your traffic will go to version A and another half will go to version B. And then when both the options will be compared to determine the best result. Tracking and monitoring. The App Store optimization process never stops. The market changes as well as the Google Play Store. Hence, the developer has to stay up to date always with the current market trends and situations. Keeping track of your key performance indicators every week or even daily too. The volume of your installs, that is organic plus non-organic, keyword rankings, top charts rankings, ratings and reviews of your apps or game. Remove the keywords that are not performing. Analyze and keep adding new keywords and continue A/B testing until you find the best version of your app that can improve your conversion rate. Finally, here are some tips for App Store optimization, or probably a checklist. Understand your customer and your competition. Choose the right app name. Maximize your keywords. Create a compelling description. Stand out with a unique icon. Include screenshots and videos. Localize your app listing. Increase traffic with outside promotion. Update frequently and encourage ratings and feedback. Thank you for watching the video. If you are looking for a mobile app development company, please check out Pixel Labs. The link is given in the description box below.